Watch the magic.
It comes off like magic. It is compatible with all brands that use a 7/8" arbor size and a 5/8" 11 spindle thread size. Introducing the Magic Flange Nut. Angle grinders are essential across industries, cutting metal, working with concrete, woodworking and more. But there's one common problem: the wrench. Changing discs often means searching for a missing wrench or struggling with a tight disc. It's frustrating and slows down work. Introducing the Magic Flange Nut, a tool that lets you swap discs by hand, no wrench needed. This innovation sets a new standard. Here's how easy it is. Remove the old flange nut. Screw the Magic Flange Nut onto the spindle and tighten with a spanner. Choose the right washer size for your grinder's inner diameter and place it on top. Mount your disc and tighten it with the original nut. Now, changing discs is as simple as twisting it off. No tools required. Let's test it. On one grinder, there's a standard nut tightened with a wrench. On the other, the Magic Flange Nut. Trying to loosen the standard nut by hand, nearly impossible. With the Magic Flange Nut, it's effortless. Tighten it again. And it still comes off smoothly, all by hand. How? When the grinder spins, the nut tightens in the rotation direction. But loosens easily when turned the opposite way. It's our patented technology, exclusive for this product. One neat trick: you can even remove the disc without touching it. Press the lock button as the disc slows down, and inertia might unscrew it. However, for safety, we don't recommend this. The Magic Flange Nut offers universal compatibility. Reduced vibration, tightens directly onto the spindle for a smoother experience. Durability. Built with heat-resistant, impact-proof materials and NBR rubber, it's designed to last. It may cost more than standard nuts, but the convenience is worth it. No more lost wrenches or broken tools. Just a reminder, always use a spanner when tightening for safety and wear gloves when swapping discs. Upgrade your grinder today with the Magic Flange Nut. Efficient, hassle-free, and tool-free disc changes. Don't wait. Click the buy button and transform your work now.